Hello, my dear friends. Lorrie here, once again on Vancouver Island, and back to making videos for my channel, which I've kind of taken a couple weeks off of, really. I mean, I did put up some travel videos, but yeah, I've just been in a mood, so I haven't wanted to share that with you.
She's been taking it out on me. She's been taking her mood out on me.
What have I been doing to you?
Oh, you've been mean.
What do you mean I've been mean?
David even said so.
How have I been mean to you?
You threw my cake away. I'm never going to forget it. That's my pronoun, cake.
Cake, and I threw it away. I did actually throw her cake away because I thought she was done with it. It was we had gotten it to go from a restaurant. And I finished all of mine, and then she handed me her container, and I didn't bother looking at it. I just squashed them both and threw them in the garbage. Well, apparently she still had cake in hers.
See what she did?
Do you want to explain your pronouns to people?
Oh, yeah. Where did we hear that?
I don't know.
We were listening to something talking about the new pronouns that are out, and cake is a new pronoun. So I figured that would be mine.
So you can now address her as MeMaw or Cake.
She, her, or Cake.
Her, MeMaw, or Cake. Take your choice. Anyway, so what I'm going to get back into doing now that I'm back home, and I've actually been back home for, gosh, going on almost 2 weeks now. Coming up on 2 weeks in just a couple of days, and haven't done a dang thing around the house other than run Mom around all this week. We ran every single day to some appointment or some prescription we had to pick up or some had to give blood. Just all kinds of stuff with her this week. So, but we love her and we want her to be healthy, so we try not to complain too much. I try not to complain too much because I love her. And apparently I'm not a very nurturing caregiver, though. Dave is not looking forward to the days when I'm taking care of him because apparently I'm not that good at it. I make them fend for themselves for food. I make Mom do her own pills now. And I just do whatever the heck I want.
I take a lot of vitamins and supplements as well as my prescription medicine, and so I fill this thing up with all kinds of stuff. Good stuff's good for me, they say.
Well, Mom on a health kick. Actually, she's been taking those vitamins and supplements and stuff for a long time, so.
Given immune system seems to be very good. It's keeping me out of trouble this year and last year.
And the year before.
And the year before.
And the year before that.
And the year before that.
And the year before that. And the year before that.
And before that. And before that. And before that.
Thanks, God.
Yeah.
God the Father, pretty fantastic no matter how you look at it. Anyway, this battery is about to die. I think I have one more that is charged. And I'll have to charge them. But as I started to say, after I welcomed you so kindly, and now she's over there making all kinds of noise. You hear her? I just can't get nothing done around here with her.
1, 2, 4, 5.